Getting possible. Perfecting polite requests in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we make mastering English as fun as possible. Today, we're going to explore polite expressions for making requests using, "Is it possible?" This essential phrase can help you navigate English-speaking environments with ease and courtesy. Let's get started. In English, we often use, "Is it possible?" to make a polite request. This phrase shows respect for the other person's time and responsibilities. It implies that you understand they may have other priorities and that you're asking for something that might not be immediately possible. Let's look at an example. Example: "Is it possible for you to lend me your pen?" To really grasp the usage of, "Is it possible?" it's best to practice in real-life role-playing scenarios. Here are a few examples. Try practicing these with a partner if you can. 1. At a restaurant. One person is a customer who needs to make a few special requests for their order. The other is a busy waiter. 2. In the office. One person needs help from their coworker who seems very busy. 3. At school. One student needs to borrow notes or a book from another student. 4. In a store. One person is a shopper who needs assistance from a store clerk. 5. At home. One person needs to ask their family member to help with chores. Remember, the key to mastering this phrase is practice, so don't shy away from using it in your daily conversations. Now that we know how to ask, let's learn how to respond. Here are some common responses to, "Is it possible?" Sure, it's possible. Sorry, it's not possible right now. Yes, I can do that. No, I'm sorry, I can't do that at the moment. Try using these responses in your role-playing exercises as well. That's a wrap for today's lesson on, "Is it possible?" Remember, making requests is all about being polite and respectful. Practice these scenarios and responses and soon, you'll be navigating English conversations with ease. Don't forget, learning a language is a journey, and every step counts. So keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Until our next video, happy learning!